we've learned from media that the representations of different levels are expressing their gratitude for the recognition of the Armenian genocide in the Congress of United States, and they formulate their sentences diplomatically, politically correct, and they tell Armenian people are grateful for blah 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 blah. And I am one of those Armenians, one of that people, a writer. See a misunderstanding and misconception here, because I do not feel gratitude, and I also know those bloodsuckers, and I know that in no way they are the representatives of Armenian nation. And I thought that I need to express my thoughts and feelings about this, and also because some American friends expect me to do that, because some of them tell me that you are a writer, what do you think about this? You are silent, you do not write about this, you tell nothing about this, and well, don't you have anything to tell or in your mind? And of course I have a lot of things in my mind and a lot of things to tell, but those official institutions never ask the people, they ask those bloodsuckers. And the case here and how it was expressed and formulated, the recognition, the most important thing I will point out is the phrase non-binding. So the Congress of United States recognizes the genocide of Armenians, and in spite of the Wilson's decision, the President Wilson's decision, which is a law in the United States, they write in the formulation non-binding. And what that means? That means that our American fellow sisters and brothers are telling to us that now it is both scientifically and politically proven and accepted and acknowledged that your ancestors were slaughtered institutionally, deliberately, and that kind of crime is a genocide, but it's not binding. So no one is going to do anything to that, and Armenians in no way can use this fact as a juridical fact in a court or to get anything. So I mean, in spite of this is an acknowledged fact, Armenians will get nothing, which means that no lands, no property to get back. And by telling this, I will tell that you will not find an Armenian who hadn't a grandmother or grandfather in today's Turkey and in lands which were the Republic of Armenia, internationally recognized by the League of the Nations. So my personal, two of my ancestors, and direct ancestors, it was not very long ago. My grandmother was born in Mush, in the Republic of Armenia of that time. My grandfather was born in Kars, in Republic of Armenia of that time, internationally recognized and approved by the law of the President Wilson. And in spite of that, you Americans tell that now it is known, it is proven, it is acknowledged, but you do not have right to the property of your grandfather and grandmother and of their lands which they owned as private person, not as a country. I do not speak about that. So somehow Armenians as a nation are dropping out from the concept of the Declaration of Human Rights, legal system, the system of justice. So Armenians are dropping out. I mean, middle class of Americans are the middle class because each of them got something from for mothers, grandfathers, and so on. And it's normal, right? It's normal for an American and European to get through the court, through the law, the property of its ancestors if it's proven. And now it's proven in Congress, and in spite of that, no Armenian will get his property back. And because we need to be thankful for this recognition, so now Americans will try to help Kurds to rename Armenia to Kurdistan and to rob us on our heritage once more with just a non-binding declaration. No, darlings, there is nothing to be thankful for. It's your business, it's your inside business in United States, in between Republicans, Democrats, and so on, and you shall not expect any gratitude from Armenians. Fuck your recognition of Armenian genocide, as a matter of fact. So this is what an ordinary Armenian may think.